Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Saurabh. So today I have come up with new videos, and before I start my video, I just would like to say happy Mahashtami Pujo, and those people who are celebrating Navaratri. So wish you a happy Navaratri to you. May Goddess Durga and may Goddess uh, give us prosperity, give us great achievement in our life. All right, so let's get started. So today's course starts with offensive security pathway, where you will be learning more about offensive security with 46 hours course time. And I hope those who are a security learners, cybersecurity enthusiasts, or are already professionals, I hope this course is for you, and you will be very glad to getting this course. Please redeem it, and it should be on your bucket, I hope. Next, if you are a data analysis or data analytics person, professional, aspiring professional, so you might know about this course, about this 5.5 hours course having advanced Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and Python. So you can know more about data analysis and analytics. If you are a finance professional or want to be a finance professional, this course is for you, where you will be learning more about business corporate finance concepts such as bookkeeping, US GAAP, accounts payable, management accounting, and so on. This includes 8.5 hours course time, and that will help you out. If you're eager to learn machine learning, this fundamental of Python machine learning course, which includes 3.5 hours course time, is going to help you out knowing more about machine learning. If you want to know more about JavaScript, jQuery, TypeScript, full stack web development, this 6 hours course is beneficial to you. If you want to know more about AWS serverless architecture, that is AWS Lambda, API Gateway, and other things are here, DynamoDB, CDK, and so on. So this free course is for you. That includes 3 hours course time, and I hope you will be learning more about AWS serverless. Next, if you're looking for a Power Platform Fundamental Examination, and that's a practice examination for you has been created here, and that's free. And this 62 questions may help you in for your upcoming PL 900 examination. Next, we have another practice exam, that is Azure AI Associate practice test, and that includes 4 practice tests and 160 questions. And I hope that will help you out getting this course most probably. Next, we have PMP 2025 practice test exam, 300 plus quality questions here, and that includes complete free, and you can redeem this course as well. Next, we have Kubernetes Cloud Native Associate KCNA practice exam test for you. That is free, and that includes 149 questions for your upcoming examination, so that you can prepare your examination for like you can prepare with this practice test. Moving next, if you want to know more about Kubernetes, Helm chart, this 1500 questions will going to boost your knowledge about Kubernetes, Helm chart, and its dependencies, repositories, chart creation, best practices, and so on. So I hope you can redeem this course as well. If you're looking for AWS Solution Architect, Associate Practice Exam, this practice exam includes 5 practice tests, include 300 plus questions, and that will definitely going to help you out in your upcoming examination. If you're more eager to learn and more eager to appear for the examination, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, that 6 practice tests that includes 390 questions is going to boost your knowledge, is going to like fill up your confidence for your upcoming examination. If you are preparing for GCP Professional Data Engineer examination, this practice exam that includes 275 questions is going to help you out. Next, we have GCP Professional Machine Learning Examination, and that includes 250 plus questions, and that's also free, and you can redeem this for your upcoming examination. One of the most wanted examination practice tests, most people have been asking me on my WhatsApp group and in my YouTube as well. So here you go. I have collected this practice test for you. Google cloud practice, platform associate cloud engineer practice test. That includes 275 questions. I hope that will help you bring your knowledge to cloud associate engineer and for Google Cloud Platform. Next, if you are a application support professional or want to be application support professional, this 561 questions will help you for your upcoming interview, and that may give you confidence for your upcoming interview. Next, we have Comptia Security Plus practice test that includes 100 questions. Next, we have Comptia Security Plus 100 plus questions again. Next, we have Comptia A plus Core 2 practice exam that includes 145 questions. Then we have Comptia Security X 102 questions. Comptia Cyber Security SYA plus practice exam that includes Comptia Cyber Security Analyst examination that includes 395 questions. Comptia Cloud Plus practice exam that includes 62 questions. Comptia Network Plus that includes 58 questions. Comptia Project Plus that includes 300 plus questions. Comptia Pentest Plus that includes 148 questions. Comptia Server Plus that includes 329 questions. Comptia Security Plus that includes 588 questions. Comptia Linux Plus that includes 246 questions. Oracle Database Administration Practice Exam that includes 142 questions. MySQL 8.0 Database Administrator Practice Exam that includes 141 questions. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Professional Exam that includes 46 questions. PMP Examination Preparation that includes 1000 plus questions, and that's for free. ServiceNow Certified System Administrator Practice Exam that includes 293 questions. ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management CIS HAM Practice Exam that includes 179 questions. ServiceNow Software Asset Management CIS SAM Practice Exam that includes 154 questions. Certified Entry Level Python Programmer Practice Exam that includes 130 questions. Advanced Design VMware NSXT Data Center Exam that includes 54 questions. VMware HCI Master Specialist Exam that includes 93 questions. VMware vSAN Specialist version 2 that includes 73 questions. VMware vSphere with Tanzu Specialist that includes 122 questions. VMware Cloud Foundation Deployment Specialist that includes 42 questions. VMware vRealize Operations Specialist exam that includes 89 questions. VMware Workspace 121.x Advanced that includes 45 questions. Certified Cloud Security Professional and that includes 500 plus questions. Certified Information Systems Security Professional that includes 670 questions. CISA Certified Information System Auditor Examination Practice Test Examination that includes 726 questions. CISM Certified Information Security Manager exam that includes 750 questions. CISSP and ISSAP practice exam that includes 108 plus questions. ISSMP Information System Security Management Professional that includes 70 questions. CSSLP Certified Security Software Lifecycle Professional exam that includes 171 questions. ISACA COVID 5 practice exam that includes 82 questions. If you want to know more about solution architect on AWS, this 6 hours course is going to help you out becoming AWS certified solution architect. That's a course, and if you complete this course, that will award you a certificate of completion. Python development and Python programming fundamentals that includes 3 hours course time. HTML5, Python, Flask framework, all in one complete course. That is a high rated course here, and that includes 9.5 hours course time. That's free for you. and certificate of completion is always there. Vive coding with Vercel version 0 from idea to MVP in a weekend. It's a new role play course that 1.5 hours course will help you out. Prompt engineering mastery from basics to advanced that includes 6 hours course time, and that's a new and role play course, and you may check this out. Brand management with generative AI that includes 8 hours course time, and that's again new and role play course. Claude Pro Mastery, AI for business, marketing, and automation. And that's free for you. Role play 12.5 hours course time is there. So you may check this out as well. Complete Artificial Intelligence, AI for professional. And that includes 12.5 hours course time, role play, and one downloadable resources are there. If you want to know more about Git, GitLab, GitHub fundamentals for software developers and DevOps engineers, and that includes 29 lectures with 1.5 hour, 1 hour course time. So I believe that free course will help you knowing more about Git. Mastering TOEFL, TOEFL, IBT Ultimate Preparation course that includes 7 hours on-demand video that may help you for cracking this examination most probably. Next, we have Figma UI UX project course. You can design up to 6 apps over here, which is get job ready projects are there. Here will go, and that includes 34 hours course time. If you think that your resume is not too good or it's not ATS formatted, so you may try this course that Power Resume System, proven systems to get job interviews that will help you to land your job very soon. You may try this 1.5 hour course. That's small, and you may like get the better knowledge over here. Next, we have a highest rated course that's for free Salesforce LWC Lightning Web Component with live project where you will learning Salesforce includes 11 hours course time. If you are new to Salesforce, want to know about Salesforce, that's a fundamental course, how Salesforce works and etc. That includes 2.5, like almost 3 hours course that will be best for you. If you want to know more about English and ESL training, this 3 hours on demand video is going to help you out knowing more about English. Last but not the least, so I thought like the people should learn music, people should be happy at their life. So that's why I put this last course that is easy guitar for beginners, and that includes 3.5 hours course time. You may learn guitar at your own. So that's it for the today's video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any comments, so please put the comment. If you are like looking for any special courses or any special extra certification, etc., whatever it is, so you can put on the comment box. I will try to help you on that. And if you yet not subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel. I generally post free certification alerts, free Udemy courses for daily, and free learning resources to upskill your career enhancements. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.